Meter.
These tail lights are like chipped too.
Oh, they are?
I have a little crack right here. It's broken. And this one too, right?
Yeah.
That's a little cracked right there. These are new ones. A lot better. Still dirty. Gotta clean them. I picked up an engine cover at the junkyard too.
Yeah, we tapped in right here. Remember the rear view camera?
Oh, okay. Just disconnected, huh? Let me press it.
Yeah, press right there.
Let's see. Looks like it's almost. Oh, there you go. No? There you go.
You sure it's a direct bolt?
Yeah, it should be a direct bolt hook. Looks kind of weird. It's pretty tight.
It looks like the one at the junkyard.
Looks like
See, look, I think this
transformer.
is where they welded it and all that looks like.
Yeah, it looks like they got hit right here. Previous owner is super weak. I could like punch this out right here. Well, what the heck? What about this right here? Look. This is all that's holding in the bumper.
Oh, look, you need this to hold in your bumper too, look.
This thing is holding in by like a hair.
I know.
Oh, maybe that'll help with the fitment right there.
Yeah.
I got a clip for that. Got a bunch of clips. Think that'll help?
Oh, I think that one's too small.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah. Try it. Well, it looks small. Where's the trim removal?
No, I got it.
Oh, it looked like they had a screw in there.
That's why my fitment is off. How do I do it though?
I think
It's hard.
Yeah, this one's like.
You just gotta.
I don't know how. Oh, there you go.
Oh, something came out the other
Oh,
side.
the other side came out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn. That one was like barely on there.
Yeah, I think that one's gonna end up falling off.
I mean, it's good for now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I have one more zip tab. You want to use it right there? Or no?
What about like right here? Look. Look right there. Will that make it? That'll fix my fitment issue.
Maybe. Well, it looks a little weird still. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna be through that one.
Oh.
I could push it a bit. There you go. It looks already better, I could tell. Damn, it looks clean.
I'm gonna be like, damn, these guys use a lot of zip ties. Where's the scissors?
Oh yeah.
This dude's car's made out of this guy.
It won't go anymore, huh? Still a little off. Wonder what I could do to fix that.
Do what?
Kindergarten scissors.
You're gonna mount up the other one? Or what?
Yeah, the new ones.
Check the tail lights.
Do they have bulbs?
Yeah, they do.
They do?
Yeah.
You think those are bad though?
I just want to see if they mount up. And like these.
Alright.
But have you seen other people do that? Or?
Yeah, it's plug and play.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
You just slap them on.
These are cool.
Yeah, they look way better. It looks like they have a design to it.
You gotta like. That goes all the way in, no, this thing or what?
Yeah. I gotta pull it. Gauntlet. What is this thing called? Oh, it does go all the way in.
Seal.
Like all the way in, huh? I can't do this on camera. Brushing out the carpet. Got that done.
You wanna check if it fits?
Yeah.
You got it?
It's not even done yet. New tail lights. Got the trunk liner with the net. I just put on the engine cover. Sure now. It looks cool with all three on, huh? Are you good?